To set song as a ringtone on POCO X8 Pro, you can do this in the two ways. I mean, there's like multiple ways. I'm going to show you two of them, the most common. First, go to the settings, open sound and vibration, select ringtone, and if you already download some ringtones, you have to go for choose local ringtone, find the destination of your file, click on it, and click apply, just like this. The second method, if you don't have any music or songs, you can just simply use almost any application from the Google Play Store that will allow you to actually download some music. I can recommend you, for example, this one, Zedge wallpapers and their ringtones. Of course, we have to get the latest version of this application, and now when it's already updated, we can just simply open it, just like this. If you are opening this for the first time, you will have some pop-ups, but you have to just turn them off, select ringtones, and here you can search for the specific ringtone that you are looking for, or you can pick something, for example, from this recommendations. You can play and check how it sounds. If you want to get this one, there's like two methods how you can set this. You can click here to actually download this to your media folder, or you can already set this for ringtone, or for example for contact ringtone. So for me, let's say I want to set this as a ringtone. I have to accept to modify system settings, go back, and now it will be finished after you watch this ad. Ringtone is updated.